Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to insert PDF file in Google Doc. So first of all, what you have to do is go on Drive. Now upload the desired PDF here. For example, I'm uploading this one right over here. Now after uploading the PDF, right click over the file, click on Open with and click on Google Docs. As you can see, I've opened the PDF file into the Google Doc very easily. So that's it for the video. If you find this helpful, please consider a like and subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.